We're here, Cedar Creek. What time is it, Dalton?
It is 7:36.
7:36. We're out here on Cedar Creek. Say good morning to the boys.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We've never fished Cedar Creek before. We just got the boat in the water. Hopefully it's gonna be a good day. Also, I got a new toy. I think y'all are gonna like it. We'll see you out on the water. Well, we have no idea where to fish. We're out here on the lake after a choppy ride, thanks to Kane.
Slightly mildly choppy.
So, we don't really know what we're doing. We're just kind of
They call it decided.
sitting out here, looking at the graph. So maybe we'll get to fish today. I'm not real sure.
We need to find the cove.
Got to find a cove. A cove is always a good idea. Kane dropped his hat.
Oh shit. Oh, I missed it.
Oh.
I remember.
Oh no. It's sinking.
Oh shit. No,
No, there it is.
I'm gonna try to get it, Kane.
Oh my goodness.
Come on. No, whoa. Come on, dog. Dude, it was sinking. It was sinking. Holy.
Got a trophy.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, Kane.
Hell yeah.
Kane hat back. Yeah.
It's my gold, boys. Dude, that bitch started sinking quick.
It did.
Like, it was way under. I just saw a dark mass. And I
God
reached down
damn.
there.
My hands are so cold. Okay. There it is. Damn, they had this bitch on 5.
Alright, we're good. Alright.
When we get to Lake Fork, I'm putting on chest mites.
Well, update. What time is it?
It is 11:49.
It's 11:49. I don't know what time we talked to you. It was like 7:30 last time. We have caught 0 fish. 0 fish. We've gotten like 5 bites on the whole day. We've been out here all morning. Cedar Creek's just not the move. For those of you who fish Cedar Creek, I don't know what the secret is. Maybe there's a secret. I don't know, but I guess we suck. I don't know. Y'all got anything to say? No.
On to the next one.
Yeah. What do you got, Ken?
I think the best move is not to go to any lake connected to Purtis Creek.
Yeah, no Purtis Creek. I think we're going to Lake Fork. We're gonna bass fish out the rest of the day after we grab some lunch there. And we might do some night fishing. So, we'll let you know when we get back to the truck.
Jimmy on the beat, boy.